Do you know what today is?
BoxyCharm.
It's not BoxyCharm, it's Ipsy Day.
Ipsy Day.
It's Ipsy Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
I'm Shannon. This is Tita. We always do our videos together, BoxyCharm and Ipsy. It is actually Ipsy Day today.
Look.
Oh, she's trying to show you some string. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I am still waiting for my BoxyCharm. Hopefully it will get here soon.
Look at this.
I actually put a palette in here for her to play with. Here you go.
Thanks.
Here's a brush.
Thanks.
Okay, here's another brush if you need it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Mama,
month...
can I open this?
Uh-oh. There we go. This month, I don't have a paper saying how much anything costs. Apparently, I only have this paper that tells me nothing. So there's that. Let's just jump into it. Got a little pink bag. It's kind of like a see-through pink. It's purple. Has darkish pink kind of print. Yellow, green zipper. Probably won't use this. Do you want this bag?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have that. Let's see. We have Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. I did see this when I looked online to see what I was getting. I was kind of happy about it. Comes in a clear, feels kind of like a heavy duty plastic. Careful, please.
I can't punch my makeup.
No, they cannot punch your makeup. No one should punch makeup ever.
Yeah.
That's not nice.
I need to go sleep.
Yeah, they are sleeping.
Yeah.
We don't punch makeup over here. You know what? I would read some of this to you, but I can't actually see well enough to read this small print. So, okay, hold on for a sec. I assume this is a night serum. I'm going to look it up online so that I actually know what it is.
Wait, Mama.
Feels like water-based. I'm not sure. But I was excited to be able to try this, so I'm excited about that one. Also, we are going to be doing a giveaway in our BoxyCharm video. Whenever our BoxyCharm comes, we will talk about that. This... I don't even know, how do you open this? Eyeshadow from Il Maquillage. I've seen, like, I think their foundation on Instagram ads a ton. I can't open it. I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway. I don't know if it's going to be in the one I'm talking about in BoxyCharm, the BoxyCharm video, but this will be going in the giveaway because I probably won't use this. It's a metallic-y green color. I think it's called Color Boss. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not Color Boss. It is called Jackpot Color Boss. Rainbow. Oh, because you used a lot of eyeshadows?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? The next thing we got is the Tarte Mascara. I actually did pick this. We got it in the color black. I'm not going to open it because I'm also going to put this in a giveaway. That's why I picked it. I actually have a lot of mascaras, and I don't really need them. So I picked this because I thought it would be a good gift for somebody else. I figured somebody would like that in a giveaway. So 2 more things to add to our giveaway box, which is starting to build up. We have the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I was excited when I saw this. Oh, that's a lot. You dug it in there. Put it on. I was excited because I really want to try this. I don't know how much it was, but I like this brand. I got a mascara from them in one of my boxes, and I really, really liked the mascara. Oh, it comes with a pump. I like that. Thank you. Thank you. How's that look? Let me pump it and see. Pumping, but nothing's happening. Nothing's coming out. Oh, it's coming out. Thank you. Thank you for that. There's like bursts of something inside this. Oh, I think I pumped way too much out. Also feels kind of water-based. I'm definitely going to do a little research on this one. Really got some stuff happening here. It's not cool. But you know, with these videos, I just roll with the punches. So let me see if I can read this. I can't read this either. Let me see. Encapsulated watermelon extract and brightening, active, silicone-free, pore refining, water-based. Feels water-based for sure. The last thing we got is, I think this is a lip gloss. Nature's Cartel. VCR Static. VCR Static. I'm so dumb. Excuse me. It looks like a shimmery glitter kind of lip gloss. I'm not sure, but I'll be honest, this is definitely not my thing. So this will also be going into the giveaway box. I need to figure out where I put the giveaway box over there. So we're slowly adding things up. I will mention really quick about the giveaway, even though I'll go into full detail in the BoxyCharm video. I'm hoping that I have excuse us please, excuse us. I'm hoping that my Amazon Tarte Pro Tarte palette, or whatever it was that was in Boxy Luxe last month, comes in before my BoxyCharm video, because that will be the prize for that giveaway, and then all of these other things will just be another giveaway. It kind of depends on when that actually gets delivered. It has been shipped. Thank you. Can you just do it on yourself, please? Just do your own right now. It has been shipped, so hopefully, you know, it will get here before my BoxyCharm box, and I have to do that video, which I'm pretty sure it will, because my BoxyCharm box hasn't been shipped yet, which is a little sad. But anyway, that, you know, when that video comes, check it out, click the bell so you make sure you don't miss it, because I am going to be doing a lot of giveaways with the items that I get from both of my unboxing videos, or from my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy. Leave me a comment and let me know if there's something specific that you like. Please sit, please.
Look.
That's very sparkly. It's very sparkly. Also, we're on TikTok, and we do a lot of fun stuff over there. So it'd be cool if you could go over there and follow us. It's twins_times_2. I know that this was a really quick video, but I don't have a paper to read you, and all of the writing is so small that I can't see. I can't read it. I can't. It just looks like white jumbled up. I can't see it. So there's that. But like I said, so stay tuned for the giveaways, because we are going to start doing those giveaways this month. Let me know what you think of my new look here. Oh, no. We're gonna give this to somebody, some lucky person, okay?
That's for on the bathroom?
No, it's not for the bathroom. That's eyeshadow. We're gonna give it to someone. Yeah. Do you want to show everybody your makeup before we go?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stand up so they can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to show them the palette too? Oh. That's a nice palette, girl. Oh, you're just rubbing your finger. Okay, let's put that away. Okay, everybody. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.